Then I pull my needle up quite a bit and leave the tip sticking in, and should do about, look like 4 stitches here, and then back a couple. It just depends on what you want to do. And right here I ended up with a little bit longer stitch than I would like. It's okay. And then try to do better on the next one. What you want to do is pull your stitch right in the middle and then cut it off. That locks that stitch in there. What I ended up with on this first one. Next one I'll try to do a little better right there. I need to smooth my edge up there and then edge that with a number 1 edger probably, and then rub that. Kind of sanded down the edges on a belt sander actually over at the bit and spur shop. Smoothed up the edges there. Now I would like to edge this piece with I've got a number 2 Berry King edger here. kind of a minimal size pocket knife sheath. Got my new case pocket knife here. Fits in there pretty nicely. Actually, I need to stretch it a little bit. I think it fits in this one a little better. Yeah, that's really nice right there. This is a little stiffer leather. Anyway, what I'll do is wet this piece, rub the edges, and I'll show you how to shape it up. Okay, I submerged this piece into pretty warm water. And what I'll do is take a burlap bag, actually a tow sack, about a 50-pound bag of oats came in. Anyway, while that's wet, I'll rub the edges with that. Then I've got this rubbing stick. It's really been through a lot, but I can stick that down in there and kind of stretch that out a little bit. Then my knife will fit in there just like I want it to. Nice and snug so it won't fall out. One other thing I do, I'll show you, is to take my mock-up belt blank. Here's the pancake sheath I made. I've got it on my belt strip there. I'll take it off. I've wet that and shaped that up. That's ready to put a light coat of oil on. Now I can take my mock-up piece here and shape this piece up. I'll set this piece in front of the fan, let that dry. Once it's dry, I'll put a light coat of saddle oil on it. Okay, that's it for this session.